react to our video. Oh, to learning every country EAS alarm. Oh, what was it? Oh, that's kind of bad. Israel? Damn, this looks cool. It really goes like this. Okay. Okay, are you serious with Japan? I think everybody. This is so trash. If you look at your phone and it says, warning, there is a tornado far away, or I don't know if Japan has tornado, far away, 1 hour to your home, and it sounds this. Not that. And it sounds this. And it sounds that. Are you serious? This goes like wow, wow, wow. Wait, I think United States has that where I live. Oh, nah. Germany. Didn't Germany go like, I don't know. Oh, that's like the same bad words. Oh, and also, I think in the background it looks like a Mario dying. Oh my! Also, why did I make to react? Because I saw in a video from my YouTube that says that this song comes from Five Nights at Freddy's. Is this true, bro? Okay, let's just go. Are you serious, Brazil? Chile. I got something. This already looks like Sighting Head. Hold on. Wait, this is. Oh, it has the meme. It has the meme. Alerta I will get this one. Yeah, that's a card. Oh. No. Australia. Oh, wow. There. It's like la 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 la. Oh. Whoa. Are you serious? I mean like that. Sick. Okay, is this what I think it is? 6. Okay, that's already old. That sounds like a mosquito in my ear. Croatia, Bulgaria, Estonia. What is it? It has a guitar. Boy, look. Wait, can you hear it? Nah, I feel bad. It has everything. If people live in there, they might be cooked. Taiwan. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. That kind of reminds me of this. Bro. This kind of reminds me of this. Wait. Let me go find. It's like this. Like Salim. Yeah, like this one. It kind of reminds me of this, bro. It kind of reminds me of this. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this part. This part. This part. This part. Yeah, this part. It kind of reminds me of that. Whoa, bro. Okay, here we go. Bro. Okay, here. Oh. Here. Yeah. But they have to put. Oh.
الرجاء الانتباه.
الرجاء الانتباه. They haven't added that. Oh, this is United States. This is United States. It goes like this. Whoa, wait. China? Let's go back. China. Let's go back. Yeah. Is that Siren Head? Siren Head, please stop. Okay. Come on, already two. India, thank you. Put me asleep. Boy. Okay, put me asleep. Why did you wake me up? Okay. Nah, I think my ears. Why is the chihuahua barking? It's like, Indonesia? Nah. No, Indonesia doesn't get the point. Wait, let's go back to Here. Not here. Over here. And in Lithuania, whatever it's called. Yeah. Now Lithuania gets the point. Okay, if you enjoyed this banger video, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to like and peace out.